Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today we're going to be opening up my July base box for Boxycharm. And also at the end of the video, we're going to be going over the winner of my giveaway. So stay tuned for that at the end of the video. Okay, and this is my Boxycharm. I just got it in the mail. I haven't opened it yet, and I'm super excited to see what's inside. I have some hopes and some things I wanted and some things I wasn't really happy about, so let's see what I got. Okay, and I'm not even going to look. I'm just going to grab things and see what's in here. Okay, let's start with the card. This month's theme is Boxycharm Fantasy. Before I get too far ahead of myself, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription that's $25 a month for the base box and $35 a month for the premium. Base has 5 full-size items and premium has 6 full-size items. And this is the base box. Okay, let's go ahead and pull out the first thing. Oh, this is one of the things I was hoping not to get, but it's okay. I'll be happy to try it. It's Dermalect, and it's Outcrease Retinol Serum. So less excited about this one. I'm more about the makeup than the skincare myself. Okay, and this is what the bottle looks like. Apply to cleanse skin. A drop on each cheek, forehead, and chin, and under the eyes. Okay, pretty basic instructions. So I'll have to try that out and see if it does anything or not. But I'm honestly a little bit nervous to try it because I do have rosacea and I don't think that they recommend that. So actually I may give that for a giveaway. So we'll see about that. Okay, next thing I'm pulling out is from Mud Masky. And it's a vitamin infused eye serum. I only have one eye serum right now, so I'm okay with this, and it's actually a really big tube for eye serum. This is probably going to last like a million years. It has a picture of an orange on the front. It says vitamin C, or vitamin infused. It says it's a moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, and firming. There's a lot more air in here than I would have thought. I do kind of smell the slight citrusy smell in it, but it's not very strong or overwhelming, which is nice. And it does have a slight cooling effect on the skin. The next thing I'm pulling out is from Ofra Cosmetics, and I chose this because I'm kind of late to Boxycharm, and I don't have this palette yet, and I was actually really wanting to try this for a few months now, and they had it in the choice, so I went ahead and I just chose it. Okay, I like that it comes with a protective case for it. That highlighter is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so we got, in this palette, it has a highlighter, a blush, a bronzer, and then it has some eyeshadows in here as well. So let's go ahead and get some of this stuff swatched and see what it looks like on the skin. I'm back with some swatches for you. This is what I got. These are the eyeshadows in there, and they're really well pigmented. Most of them I only had to swatch one time for this, except for this one I had to go in twice. But all of the rest of them are only swatched once, and I think they have pretty good color payout. I'm really excited to try this out this next week. Okay. Oh, in case all of you didn't know, I do reviews on this channel. So all the stuff that I open up, I try on the following week or of that same week, depending on the circumstances. And then I give my reviews the following week. So if that's something you're into or you like makeup or Boxycharm or subscription boxes in general, go ahead and like and subscribe. Okay, the next thing, oh, I'm so excited. I was actually really hoping that I would get this. This is Aliop Pen Pal 4-in-1 makeup. And this is eyeliner in black, highlighter in champagne, lip pencil in mauve, and brow pencil in coffee brown. Interesting. That is awesome. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you so you all can see what they look like. I wonder if it's supposed to be like that or if you can make... Oh, okay, cool. So you can make the product come out more by twisting it. So that's neat. I didn't know that. Okay, and here is the swatches of the Pen Pal here. The lip, the highlighter, the eyeliner, and the brow pencil. And that brow pencil looks like it would probably be able to work for me. So that's awesome. I love this idea of this. But I can't remember how to get them. Oh, there we go. I remember having one of these in school, so it was so exciting to me that I get to try this. Okay, and the last thing is actually the other thing that I really wanted, which makes me super excited. It's the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Liquid Black Eyeliner. And I just like the bristles that I've seen with these because I just do better with bristle eyeliner instead of like pens or other applicators for some reason. Oh, it is like a line applicator, but still, I like these kinds of eyeliners. That's super black, and it's like a shiny black almost. It's very pretty. It's definitely the color that I would reach for. So that is awesome, and that is everything I got. Let's go over prices real quick. Okay, the eyeliner is valued at $20. The Aliyah pen is $25. The Mud Masky was $63. Whoa, that's a lot, but it is a really big tube and it is eye serum, so I get that. The Retinol was $39. And the Ofra palette was also $39. So give me just one moment. I'm going to go ahead and add that up and see what my total value of my box is. Okay, and that puts our total box value at $186, which is pretty good for only spending $25 on the box. Okay, now it's that time you all have been waiting for. It's the giveaway time. Now we only did have 4 people that entered, and the reason why I couldn't just enter everyone is that YouTube does not tell me who my subscribers are. So whenever you comment is the only way I can really see anything or know who you are. So I went ahead and put up the giveaway instructions, and 4 people followed the instructions, and here is the names of the 4 individuals. I am going to do this the old-fashioned way because there was only 4. I'm going to throw them in a hat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm just going to shake them around. Candy. Candy is the winner. I will be getting in touch with you so I can get your personal information. I'll be putting instructions on how we can get a hold of each other down below in the comments. Thank you so much, Candy, and thank you for everyone else for participating or for just being subscribed. Thank you so much. I'm Erin.